Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Hook in Loop. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos click the bell icon. So today I will be showing you how to make this beautiful fabric earrings with crochet border and metal jhumkas. For that we will require a small circular cardboard piece and a piece of fabric. I have chosen black colored fabric because white color is a very good contrasting with the black one. Then on the cardboard at the borders I will put glue and stick my fabric to it. Okay. Then at the back we are going to cut the fabric as I have shown and stick the fabric to the cardboard with the fabric glue. I have used Fevicryl fabric glue. In this way we will cut small pieces of fabric at the border and stick the cut portion to the cardboard, and we will complete it. So our circular black portion is ready. Now we will paint on it. I have chosen a Ganesha painting, so it's very easy, and I have chosen white and red color for doing it, and I have used a 000 brush. So our painting is done. Now we are going to add the border. I did the border with crochet, but if you want you can add pom-pom borders which are readily available in the market, or you can also do stitching, but I've chosen crochet because it adds another beauty to the earrings. So for that we are going to take a very thin thread and a 0.6 millimeter hook, and we are going to do 40 chains. For my circular piece, 40 chain border is perfect. You need to select an even number of border that is complete fit for the boundary. Okay, now we will slip stitch into the first chain, and then we are going to do chain 2. Okay, after that we will be doing a double crochet in the same chain. Then we are going to do another double crochet in the following chain. Okay, followed by chain 2, and complete this petal with a slip stitch into the same chain. So our first petal is done. Now we are going to slip stitch into the following chain, and then we will do chain 2, then a double crochet in the same chain, followed by a double crochet in the following chain. And then chain 2 and complete the second petal with a slip stitch in the same chain. So in this way we will proceed throughout in making the petals, and that is why we required an initially even number of chains. We are now going to do the last petal. After you finish your petal, slip stitch into the first chain, okay, and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Your circular crochet border with petals are ready. Just cut the extra hanging thread and stick it at the border. You can either stick it on the top or at the back, whichever is preferable for you. I am sticking it on the top. In this way, you will stick your border to the circular piece. So our circular piece is ready. Now we will attach the earring hook and the jhumka. So our beautiful fabric earring with crochet border is ready. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you liked my video, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.